Welcome to the mysteries of the cosmos, where the unimaginable becomes reality. What if I told you that Pluto, often dismissed as a mere dwarf planet, might be on a collision course with another celestial body? Imagine the chaos, the spectacle, the sheer magnitude of such an event. This isn't just a wild hypothesis, it's a result of the intriguing kiss and capture theory. And the implications for our own planet Earth? They could be more significant than you might think. But before we delve into that, let's set the stage. Pluto, a distant icy body on the outskirts of our solar system, is home to a complex system of moons that are constantly in motion, dancing around each other in a ballet of gravitational forces. This dance, as beautiful as it is chaotic, is the key to unlocking the mysteries of Pluto's potential collision course. Intrigued? Stick around as we dive into the chaotic world of Pluto, its fascinating moons, and the cosmic dance that could lead to a celestial collision of epic proportions. This is a journey you don't want to miss. Imagine waking up one day to a news headline, "Pluto on a collision course with another planet." Sounds like a sci-fi movie plot, doesn't it? But in the intriguing world of Pluto, the reality can be as fascinating as fiction. This celestial body, often embroiled in controversy over its planetary status, has a narrative that's as captivating as its icy, distant existence. Is it a planet, a dwarf planet, or something else entirely? The debate continues, but what is undeniable is Pluto's unique place in our solar system. Adding to the intrigue are Pluto's 5 moons, a quintet of celestial companions that add another layer of mystery to this outermost neighbor of ours. Charon, the largest of these moons, is particularly interesting. It's so large, in fact, that Pluto and Charon are often referred to as a binary system. They revolve around each other, locked in a cosmic dance that's been going on for billions of years. But Charon isn't the only moon worth noting. There's also Nix, Hydra, Kerberos, and Styx, each smaller than Charon, yet playing a crucial role in the complex gravitational dynamics of the Pluto system. Recent discoveries have illuminated these moons in a new light, revealing a dynamic and shifting reality that continues to pique the interest of astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. The world of Pluto is indeed a fascinating one. From its debated status to its complex moon system, to the recent discoveries that continue to unravel its mysteries, Pluto stands as a testament to the endless wonders of our universe. And as we dive deeper into its enigma, we find that the interactions of these celestial bodies can lead to events that are truly beyond our wildest imaginations. So, buckle up as we embark on this cosmic journey, exploring the intricate dance of celestial bodies, the evolving theories that seek to explain their behavior, and the tantalizing possibilities that emerge from their movements. In the vast expanse of our solar system, the dynamics of these celestial bodies can lead to events beyond our wildest imaginations. So what's this kiss and capture theory that scientists are buzzing about? You might be wondering. Well, let's dive right in. Picture this: 2 celestial bodies, Pluto and Charon, wandering in the outer reaches of the solar system. They chance upon each other, and like star-crossed lovers, they're drawn together. They move closer and closer, finally brushing against each other in a cosmic kiss. But instead of parting ways, they become entangled in a gravitational embrace, captured in a dance of orbit. That's the essence of the kiss and capture theory. This intriguing theory suggests that Charon, the largest moon of Pluto, didn't form in the traditional way we think moons do. Instead, it was born out of a chance encounter, a fleeting touch between 2 bodies in the cosmic void. This interaction was not a violent collision, but a soft touch, a kiss, followed by a capture due to their mutual gravitational pull. But why is this theory so groundbreaking? Well, it provides a fresh perspective on the formation and evolution of the Pluto-Charon system. It suggests that the ice-rock composition of Pluto and Charon played a crucial role in their interaction. The merging and separation of Pluto and Charon could explain the unique relationship they share. Furthermore, the kiss and capture theory goes beyond just Pluto and Charon. It has the potential to shed light on the formation of Pluto's minor moons and its internal heat source. It could also be a common mechanism in the Kuiper belt, the region of the solar system beyond Neptune's orbit. But the implications don't stop there. The theory could have far-reaching consequences for our understanding of other binary systems in the outer solar system. Binary systems, like Pluto and Charon, are 2 bodies of comparable size in orbit around a common center of mass. By understanding how these systems form and evolve, we can gain invaluable insights into the dynamics of our solar system and beyond. The kiss and capture theory may just be the key to unlocking the mysteries of Pluto and Charon. It's a fresh take on the dance of celestial bodies, and who knows what other secrets it might reveal in the future. But why is Pluto behaving so chaotically, you might ask? Well, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of this cosmic conundrum. Pluto, unlike its planetary peers, has an eccentric and inclined orbit. This means that its path around the Sun isn't a perfect circle, but rather an elongated ellipse. Moreover, it doesn't travel along the same plane as the other planets, but rather bobs up and down in a motion that's more akin to a rocking horse than a carousel. This peculiar orbit is one of the key factors contributing to Pluto's unpredictable behavior. But there's more to this story. Pluto is not alone in its cosmic journey. It has a companion, its largest moon, Charon. Both Pluto and Charon are tidally locked, meaning they always show the same face to each other. This unique relationship adds another layer of complexity to Pluto's motion. What's more fascinating is the presence of 4 other moons, Hydra, Nix, Kerberos, and Styx, that are in a dance of their own. These moons have a stable dynamic resonance with Charon, creating a cosmic ballet that's mesmerizing yet chaotic. Now, you might be wondering, how does this affect the rest of the solar system? Well, the chaos of Pluto's orbit and its moon system has the potential to cause disturbances in the Kuiper belt, a region of the solar system beyond Neptune, teeming with small icy bodies. This could potentially send these objects hurtling into the inner solar system, creating a domino effect of cosmic proportions. So, what's causing this chaos? The answer lies in the gravitational interactions between Pluto, its moons, and the Sun. These forces tug and pull at Pluto, causing its orbit to change over time. This means that predicting Pluto's position in the future becomes a complex task, much like trying to predict the weather. The unpredictable nature of Pluto's orbit keeps scientists on their toes, wondering what it might do next. The mystery of Pluto continues to intrigue us, reminding us that the universe is full of surprises waiting to be discovered. Now let's get to the heart of the matter. Could Pluto really collide with another planet? In the vast, intricate dance of our solar system, collisions are not impossible. But when it comes to a potential encounter between Pluto and another planet, the conditions would need to be rather precise. Pluto's orbit, as we know, is highly elliptical and inclined, looping it above and below the plane where most planets reside. This means that for a collision to occur, another planet would have to stray into Pluto's unique path at exactly the right time. So let's entertain this idea for a moment. If such a rare event were to occur, what might happen? Well, the outcome would largely depend on the size and mass of the colliding bodies. Let's take Neptune for instance. Given its proximity to Pluto's orbit, Neptune, being the giant that it is, dwarfs Pluto in size and mass. A collision between them would have a catastrophic impact on Pluto, likely shattering it into pieces. The aftermath of such a collision would result in a spectacular shower of debris, creating a new ring system around Neptune, much like the rings of Saturn. The effects on Neptune, however, would be much less dramatic due to its massive size. It might experience some surface disturbances and possibly gain a few new moons from the remnants of Pluto. But before we get carried away, let's ground ourselves in reality. The chances of such a collision are incredibly slim. The paths of the planets in our solar system are well defined and stable, and even though Pluto's orbit does cross Neptune's, they are never at the same place at the same time. Additionally, space is vast, and the distances between celestial bodies are immense. Does this mean we have nothing to worry about? Not necessarily. The solar system is a dynamic and ever-evolving place. While the probability of a collision is low, it isn't zero. This is why scientists are keeping a close eye on Pluto and its peculiar behavior. While the possibility of a collision is slim, it's a scenario that scientists are closely monitoring. But what would such a collision mean for us here on Earth? Now, that's a question that no doubt churns the minds of many. If Pluto were to collide with another planet, the immediate impact on Earth might not be as catastrophic as you'd imagine. This is due to the vast distances in our solar system and the relatively small size of Pluto. However, don't let this fool you into thinking that we'd be entirely unaffected. In the grand scheme of the cosmos, every action triggers a reaction, and our planet wouldn't be left untouched. A planetary collision in our solar system could trigger a chain of events that might cause significant changes. For starters, a collision could scatter debris throughout the solar system. This debris could potentially cross Earth's orbit, increasing the likelihood of meteor impacts. While the chances of a direct hit are low, the increased meteor activity could pose a threat to our satellites, disrupting global communications and navigation systems. Additionally, the collision could alter the gravitational balance of our solar system. This could lead to changes in the orbits of other planets, including Earth. While these changes would likely be minor, they could potentially affect our climate over time. Such a collision could also have profound effects on life here on Earth. The spectacle of a planetary collision, visible even to the naked eye, would undoubtedly inspire awe and fear. It would remind us of our place in the universe and the immense forces at work beyond our control. Lastly, think about how this event could stir the scientific community. It would provide an unprecedented opportunity to study planetary formation and destruction, potentially leading to new discoveries about the universe we inhabit. While the effects on Earth might be minimal, the potential for drastic changes in our solar system is a fascinating topic to ponder. We're just a small part of a vast cosmic ballet where planets dance and sometimes they collide. Every event, no matter how distant, has the potential to change the music and alter the steps of our cosmic dance. So, what lies in the future for our perplexing dwarf planet Pluto? In the grand cosmic ballet of our solar system, Pluto continues to dance to its own rhythm, capturing the curiosity of scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Its complex system of moons, particularly the intriguing relationship with its largest moon, Charon, continues to be a subject of intense study. Recent discoveries have painted a picture of a world far more active and dynamic than we first imagined. The kiss and capture theory, suggesting that Pluto and Charon were once united before separating and forming their unique orbiting relationship, has created a new lens through which we view the formation of celestial bodies. This theory not only unravels the mysteries of Pluto and Charon's past, but also has implications for their future. Pluto's 4 other moons, Hydra, Nix, Kerberos, and Styx, also play a significant role in shaping our understanding of this distant dwarf planet. These smaller moons, in stable dynamic resonances with Charon, are like pieces of a cosmic puzzle, each holding clues to the evolution of the Pluto-Charon system. The study of Pluto and its moons isn't just about satisfying our curiosity, it's about piecing together the history of our solar system, understanding how planetary systems form and evolve. Every discovery about Pluto provides us with a deeper understanding of the mechanics of our own planet and its place in the cosmos. As we look to the future, our exploration of Pluto is far from over. With every new mission, every new observation, we're peeling back the layers of this distant world, revealing more about its composition, its geology, its atmosphere. And as we continue to unravel the mysteries of Pluto, we're also learning more about our own world. The ongoing research on Pluto and its moons is a testament to our quest for knowledge, our desire to understand the universe in all its complexity. This far-off dwarf planet, once a small blip on the edge of our solar system, now stands as a symbol of discovery, exploration, and the limitless potential of scientific inquiry. As we continue to explore the farthest reaches of our solar system, who knows what other surprises Pluto might have in store for us? So, to sum things up, let's revisit some of the key points we've covered. We began our journey exploring the intriguing world of Pluto, a celestial body that has often been the center of controversy. Is it a planet or not? This question has sparked countless debates among astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. Regardless of its classification, there's no denying that Pluto holds a unique place in our solar system. We then delved into the kiss and capture theory, a fascinating concept that suggests Pluto's largest moon, Charon, was formed through a chance encounter in the outer solar system. This theory, put forth by astronomers, suggests that Charon collided with Pluto, leading to a brief period of rotation together before separating. This remarkable dance resulted in the unique orbiting relationship between Pluto and Charon, offering us a fresh perspective on the evolution of binary systems beyond Neptune's orbit. We also touched upon Pluto's chaotic behavior. Its unusual orbit, combined with the gravitational influences of its moons, has led to an erratic and unpredictable path. This unpredictability has raised questions about the potential for a collision with another planet in the future. This brings us to the alarming possibility of a planetary collision. While it may sound like a plot straight out of a sci-fi movie, the idea is not entirely far-fetched. The chaotic nature of Pluto's orbit, combined with the gravitational forces at play, could potentially lead to a collision with another celestial body such as Neptune. But what would this mean for Earth? We explored the potential impact of such a collision on our home planet. While it's unlikely to pose a direct threat, the aftermath of such an event could potentially lead to changes in our solar system that we can't yet fully comprehend. Finally, we look towards the future of Pluto. With ongoing research and advancement in technology, our understanding of this intriguing dwarf planet continues to evolve. Who knows what discoveries lie ahead? While the thought of a planetary collision might seem terrifying, remember that our understanding of the universe is constantly evolving. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll look back and laugh at the idea of Pluto colliding with another planet. Until then, keep looking up and stay curious about the mysteries of our universe. And with that, we come to the end of this intriguing exploration of Pluto. If you learned something new from the video, or if it sparked your curiosity about the mysteries of our universe, then we've achieved our goal. Here at Fact Fusion, we're passionate about sharing fascinating and thought-provoking facts about our universe. But we can't do it without your support. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Your likes help us reach more people and inspire more curiosity. And we'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions. Do you think Pluto could collide with another planet? What would be the impact of such a collision? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Your insights and perspectives add depth to our discussions and help us create more engaging content. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe to Fact Fusion. Your subscription allows us to keep bringing you more amazing content like this. And finally, if you found this video enlightening, share it with your friends and family. You never know, you might inspire someone's curiosity and ignite their passion for learning. So until next time, keep looking up, keep questioning, and keep exploring. The universe is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled.